Good morning, children. Last period we learned subject maths, lesson number 1, basic concept in geometry. Which are the basic concept in geometry? Points, line segment, ray and plane. Last period we learned this. Today this period we learn collinear points, non-collinear points, parallel lines. Collinear points. Three or more points which lie on the same line are said to be collinear points. In the figure, points A, B, C, D and E lie on the same line L. These points are collinear points. Non-collinear points. Points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear point. In the figure, point A, B, C and D are non-collinear points because they do not lie same line. Parallel line. Lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect each other are said to be parallel lines. In the figure, line L and line M lie in the plane H. They do not intersect each other. So that line L is parallel line to M. Line L parallel line M. Here 2 line is the symbol for parallel lines. Now we solve practice set 1. Look at the figure alongside and name the following. Look this figure and tell the collinear points. Which are the collinear points? Point M O T, point M O T and point R O N. Point R O N are the collinear points. Now rays. Which are the rays? Ray O M. Ray O M. Ray O T. Ray O T. Ray O R. Ray O R. Ray O S. Ray O S. Ray O N. Ray O N. Ray O P are the ray. Now, which are the line segments? Seg MT. Seg RN. Seg OP. Seg ON. Seg OS. Seg OR. Seg OM. seg OT. These are the line segments. Now, which are the lines? Line MT. MT. Line RM. These are the lines. Now, second question. Write the different name of the line. Line L. Line AB. Line AC. Line AD. Line BC. Line BD. And line CD. Now, third question, match the following. What is this? This is a ray. What is this? This is a line segment. What is this? This is a plane. And what is this? No. This is a line and this is a ray. Now, fourth question. Observe the figure below. Name the parallel lines, the concurrent line and the points of concurrence in the figure. Now, which are the parallel line? Line B, line B, parallel line M, parallel line M, and line parallel line Q. Line B, parallel line M and parallel line Q. Line A, parallel line P. Now, concurrent line. Line A, line B, line C, line AC. Line P, line Q, line AC. Now, points of concurrence. Which are the points concurrence? Point A and point D. Okay, now you solve the practice set 1. Thank you.